For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Welcome to News 9 Digital. I'm Jyoti Jha, and it's been a week since cinema halls and theatres and multiplexes have been operating in various states of the country. And today I have come to check how the people are responding to the new normal, if they are coming over to watch movies, and how exactly these multiplexes are ensuring your safety, if they are following the government given guidelines. In short, it's time for a reality check. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get going. To give us a detailed information about how exactly everything is functioning and how the PVR is ensuring your safety, we have the South Regional Head, Mr. Swaroop Reddy, joining us, and he will be giving us a complete report on how exactly PVR is ensuring your safety when you come out to watch your favorite movie on the big screens. Welcome, Mr. Swaroop Reddy. So we have come here to show our viewers how exactly you are, ensuring their safety. So just take us through the premises here and tell us how exactly you guys are working to ensure their safety.
So I think just to give you a brief, I think you would have started off outside the premises, and we've got contactless ticketing options and stuff like that. So you could scan it out of a QR code, or if you can decide to book it online, or the other option is you finally book it in our POS counters. And if you do any of these three things, we're trying to get away from giving physical ticket papers to anybody. So coming into the premises, you'd find that I think we've done our social distancing bed. So if you see, this is the seats that are an option for people to sit. So we put tapes where we've asked guests not to be seated, so that there's a 6 feet distance between people. Okay, and if you come back and see our food ordering here and the concessions as well, we've tried to maintain social distancing. So we have a 6 feet gap between one patron and the other while ordering. Here again, we've gone with the contactless option of ordering and food.
Well, now I have ordered my food using this QR codes right here. So you can just scan this QR code anywhere at the premises of PVR and you can order your food, which I have done already. So I come here to the counter here. All I have to do is just tell my mobile number to them, after which they will receive the order and they will serve me the food. So before serving me the food, obviously you can see the UV sterilization cabinet there. So it's not like they randomly pack your food. They just take the sterilized packets from there in which they put your food, be it the popcorn, whatever your favorite popcorn. Now I have ordered my favorite popcorn, which will be given to me in some time. And that is the UV sterilization where they will take the packet from, they will fill your food, and what they have added for your safety is that they have put lids on every packet so there should not be any contact for you to feel unsafe. Well, my food is ready. I have taken the tickets. I have took my food. Now I am moving towards the auditorium. Meanwhile, let's talk to Mr. Swaroop about various questions that we have in mind currently, because they are showing us re-released movies. So we also need to see how exactly the response of the people in the last 1 week has been. So Mr. Swaroop, how many people have been coming and how is the response? And what are the facilities that you're providing to them?
So actually, we've been quite happy with the kind of response that we've got in the initial weeks, because the initial 1 week, because I think if you see, cinemas were shut across the country for about 6 to 7 months. So I think we have started off obviously with some of the older movies, movies that we believe that the audiences would really like. The response for the Kannada movies have been very good.
You also told me that people who are coming in larger groups can also book an auditorium for themselves. So can you explain us how exactly that works?
Yeah, so what we've started doing now as a new feature is we're willing to give out Audis on rental. Okay, so you can book the entire theatre just for your family or your friends, your near and dear ones, and you can book out the entire space for yourself. It starts from as low as 2,500 rupees onwards.
We have come inside the theatre now, and let us know from Mr. Swaroop how exactly the arrangements have been done here to ensure your safety. So Mr. Swaroop, what exactly have you done inside the theatre to ensure people's safety?
So I think if you see, we've blocked out every alternate seat here. Okay, I think you can take a look at this thing. So what we've done here is we've taped every alternate seat for the safety of patrons, and we don't sell these. I think, like I explained in the beginning, we're only selling 50% of our capacity in each of the cinemas.
So that was Mr. Swaroop Reddy telling us how exactly the seating arrangements have been done here. Obviously, the government guidelines suggested that only 50% seating capacity will be allowed, be it the multiplexes or theatre. That's exactly what PVR is following here. We can obviously see how every alternative seat has been blocked, and these blocked seats are obviously not sold. And then we have every safety measures taken in this PVR. We can also see people standing there in the PPE kits who after every show disinfect this entire place using their special machine and techniques that they have to do this particular treatment.
So I'm totally excited, and they used very precautions and all, and tumba safety ಇದೆ.
Very happy to be in a theatre, and especially PVR and INOX and all multiplexes. They're doing very well. Rather than small theatres, I mean single theatres, you better visit to malls where you have more precautions.
To tell about the precautions taken in PVR, like the moment we enter in, they check us our temperatures, and then they sanitize ourselves, and then we also, as my friend said, like we have to take care of ourselves too. And a lot of good precautions taken here, like very hygienic. And then even the seats are arranged in like after two people sit, and then it's been taken care really well. And the experience what you find in the theatres is always really good.
That was us taking you for a detailed tour in the PVR premises of how exactly they are going to ensure your safety while you come out to watch movies. Now, 3 things that I really liked in PVR today is that tickets are for just ₹99. We also have food for 25% discount, and not just that, but you can also book an entire gold auditorium for just ₹2,500, where you can bring your loved ones, your family members, friends, and enjoy the movie, your favorite movie, with just your loved ones. Well, let us know what do you think about this. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital. Thank you so much for watching.